Good day, students! Are you ready to have fun and learn with TLE? I am Teacher Jay and I will help you to understand and answer your CSS Quarter 1 Module 1. Before we get started, please prepare your CSS Quarter 1 Module 1, your paper and your ball pen.
Now let's read our lesson objectives. After going through this module, you are expected to identify appropriate hand tools for proper operation and safety. Classify hand tools and equipment according to their category. Use hand tools and equipment in computer system servicing.
Now, open your module on page 2. Before starting with this lesson, let us measure first what you already know about using and maintaining hand tools. Follow and answer your activity on your module. Are you done? Great job! Now let's proceed to what's in and what's new on page 3. How do you select the best tool for the job? How do you properly use the tools? What is the proper tool selection procedure? Please keep on watching because this video will help you perform your task in a faster manner. Do you have computers in your home? What if your computer is not working properly and you wanted to fix it and open it? What tool should you use? Is it needle nose plier? Is it Phillips head screwdriver, tweezer, or a flashlight? Correct! These tools are used to open and fix the computers. But first, what is tool? A tool is a handheld device that aids in accomplishing a task. Once selected, use the tool for the purpose for which it was designed.
Let's read the Environmental Safety and Health Program. Number 1. All tools should be kept in good condition with regular maintenance. Number 2. The right tool should be used for the job. Number 3. Each tool should be examined before use and damaged tools should not be used. Number 4. Tools should be operated according to the manufacturer's instructions. Number 5. The right protective equipment for the tool and activity should be used.
Now, let's proceed to page 4. Let us talk about the 4 categories of computer hardware servicing tools. Number 1, Electro-Static Discharge or ESD tool. Number 2, hand tools. Number 3, cleaning tools. And number 4, diagnostic tool. Electrostatic discharge or ESD tool is a basic means for the controlled discharge of electrostatic electricity. There are 2 types or examples of electrostatic discharge. Number 1 is anti-static wrist strap. It is used to prevent ESD damage to computer equipment. Number 2 is the anti-static mat. It is used to stand on to prevent static electricity from building up. The second category is a hand tool. It is a device for performing work on material using hands only. So these are the examples of hand tools.
Flathead screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten slotted screws. Next, Phillips head screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten cross-head screws. And next is Torx screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten screws that have a star-like depression on top.
Next is hex driver. It is also called as nut driver. It is used to tighten nuts in the same way that screwdriver tightens. Next is needle nose plier, used to hold small parts. Next is wire cutter. It is used to strip and cut wires. Next is tweezers. It is used to manipulate small parts. Next, part retriever. It is used to retrieve parts from a location that are too small for your hand to fit. Next is the flashlight. It is used to light up areas that you cannot see well. The next category is the cleaning tools. These are tools ensures that computer's components are not damaged during cleaning. These are examples of cleaning tools. The first example is the lint-free cloth. It is used to clean different computer components without scratching. Next is the compressed air. It is used to blow away dust and debris from the computer parts without touching the components. Next is the cable ties. Used to bundle cables neatly inside and outside of a computer. Lastly is the part organizer. It is used to hold screws, jumpers, fasteners to prevent them from mixing together. The last category is diagnostic tool. It is used to test the computer components. There are two types or examples of diagnostic tools. Number one is loopback adapter. It is used to test the functionality of the computer parts. Next is the multimeter. It is used to test the integrity of the circuit and the quality of electricity in the computer components.
Now, let's proceed to page 7. What's more? Answer your activity number 1, classify me. Direction. Classify the following tools below according to the 4 categories of computer hardware servicing tools. Write the letter on your answer sheets. Next, answer your activity number 2. Name me. Direction. Identify the tools on the boxes. Write your answer in a separate sheet of paper. If you are done, proceed to page 8. What I have learned. Direction. Fill in the missing words to complete the sentence. And answer activity 3 on what can I do. Make me serviceable. Directions. Conduct a maintenance activity on the given hand tools. Some items are already given to you. Complete the table. Copy and answer the table in your answer sheets. Lastly, do your assessment on page 9. True or false? Instruction. Read the statements carefully, then write true if the statement is correct and false if it is wrong. Write your answer on your answer sheets.